Anton back here, and today we're going to be doing a breakdown of making synth sounds like Sampha, or we're going to be breaking down how you make sounds like this. And we're going to do it using a free synth. Make the notes fade out. But that sounds a bit too harsh, so we're going to add a filter. Got low pass, got high pass, and we've got band pass. For this type of filter, we're cutting out the lows, we're cutting out the highs, and we're letting the mid band pass through, so it's called a band pass filter. And I'm adding a slight movement to this filter just by using random one. And when you have movement in synth sounds, it makes it sound a bit more alive, a bit more interesting to the ears instead of being static, still, and boring. Next, we're gonna add some effects. So chorus and reverb. But you don't have to stop there, you can add more effects. So for me, the chorus, you could switch that out for a phaser or a flanger. Any modulation plugin that you have. The reverb we could switch out for a delay. Just make sure it's a really short delay. I've set it to 90 milliseconds. Or we could do a combination of both. If you want to download this preset, it's available on my Patreon alongside 300 plus other sounds. We've got everything from leads, chords, basses, pads, loads of sounds. Just select what you want, you can have it.